What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, it's your girl Shelly here, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how to do your own gel manicures at home and get salon quality results. So if you would like to see how I went from this to this, then just keep watching. So what you will need for your gel manicure, I will be using the same tools that I used in my pedicure video. I will link that above, as well as my Amazon favorites video, because most of the stuff that I will be talking about is in both of those videos, so I don't want to repeat myself. But everything will be linked down in the description bar, as well as in my Amazon store. Feel free to buy from there. The only new things that I will be using, of course, is the gel polish, the UV lamp, and also the base coat, top coat, etc. But everything else is the same. Okay, so starting off, we are going to soak our fingers into some nice warm soapy water. I'm adding some of my salt soak from Target. This is the pineapple flavored one that I was telling you guys about. And also I'm going to add some of that Sally Hansen cuticle softener also while my fingers soak. And again, there's no specific time that I soak. I just usually do it around like 10, maybe like 15, 20 minutes, depending on whatever I'm doing or whatever type of time I'm on. This time, I really had time because I'm sitting here watching YouTube, you know, watching me some Leo J, because that's my girl. She's like one of the 7 Cancer women that I actually like in this world. But anyway, I'll come back once I'm done soaking. Okay, so once we're done soaking, I'm going to use my cuticle pusher, and we're going to push back my cuticles that are now softened. And I'm going to, of course, get ready to cut my cuticles and any other dead skin that's around my fingers or hangnails. For my pedicure tutorial, I mentioned that I do not like any extra skin. I don't like cuticle. I use cuticle nippers specifically because I don't like all that. Like, I want my nails to be looking good, looking professional, looking real clean. So I literally go in on this part because no, like, I don't play that at all. At this part, I'm going to trim my nails, and I'm going to also shape my nails. Again, if you see my pedicure tutorial, I like my nails to be shaped as a square, not squoval. Please don't give me no rounded corners, because I won't be a happy Shelly. I really won't. And right here, I'm being a little ghetto because I'm using my old cuticle nippers. They're a little dulled out, so it's fine for me to use it on my nails because, I don't know, for some reason, my nail cutter was not working, and I didn't have patience that day. So I'm using my old nippers right now. So once I get the shape I want, I'm going to start buffing the top of my nails to rough up the top of my nails a little bit. So when you do gel, it's good to rough up the nail bed really good, so that when you do put on the base coat, it has something to adhere to, and you put it under the gel to cure, and that just makes your gel manicure last a whole lot longer. So at this point, we're going to dust off our hands and start prepping our nails for the gel polish. So this right here, I'm using the gelish base coat, top coat, and also the prep. This is going to dehydrate your nail, getting it ready for the base coat, because again, you don't want any oils or anything on your nails when you put the base coat on, because it'll make your gel polish lift, and we don't want that. This is the gel polish and top coat that I am using from Gelish, and this is the color of choice. Of course, we are doing white, and it's from the brand Born Pretty, and it's just a basic gel white polish. Okay, so boom, we are going to start off with the base coat, and when it comes to gel, please, and I do mean please, do not use any type of thick nail polish when you are doing gel. The whole point of gel is you want to make it look pretty, smooth, no bumps, no lumps, because again, we have to put this underneath the lamp to cure. So make sure you are using very thin nail polish layers every time you go in for extra layer. And once I fully paint my nails with the base coat, put it underneath my lamp for 30 seconds. All right, so once you get to the actual nail polish color, you're going to want to do the same thing, really thin layers, make sure everything's even. If you make a mistake, it's perfectly fine. Just use acetone, or in my case, I feel like alcohol actually works better to clean up with gel polish for some weird reason. Either way, it'll make sure your edges are clean up around the edges of your nails before you put it in the lamp to cure. And once I'm done fully polishing my nails, I will put them in the lamp for 60 seconds. Going in with our second coat, I'm just gonna go over this with another thin layer and then put it in the lamp for another 60 seconds. And finally, we will be putting on our top coat. And again, thin layers, you guys. I'm telling you, that is key for a perfect gel manicure. And for the lamp this time, we will be doing 99 seconds, but mine has a setting where it can do low heat. So at this point, it will not burn you. You ever have that burning sensation with gel? It will not burn you with this because again, it's low heat. And I believe this is what helps me with my gel manicure lasting so long. Like literally my gel manicures last literally up to 3.5 weeks. All right, so we are done with the curing for now at least. And I'm just gonna grab a cotton round and grab my 99% alcohol from the spray bottle. I don't play with the Rona, okay? I got this in the spray bottle. We don't play no games at my house, okay? But I'm gonna put some alcohol on the cotton round and I'm literally gonna just wipe that over my fingers to get rid of tacky feeling from off of my top coat. And you are basically good to go. But yes, that is the finished product. I went back in and actually cleaned up my middle finger right there because it was bothering me. And the method of how I use my gel polish, I do my 4 fingers first and then do my thumb last, because the way my gel polish is set up, I don't know why, but when I face my hand down into the lamp and my thumb is like, you know, it's where it's supposed to be on its side, for some reason the gel polish seems to slide down my thumb. It cures like that, which is really weird because ever since I've been going to the nail salon, which has been forever up until this point, I haven't had that issue. But now, since I'm doing it from home and, you know, trial and error, I realized the best method for me at home is to do my 4 fingers first and then I do my thumb last. That way I can place my thumb flat into the lamp and let it cure, and then it'll be fine. You'll see how I do it in a second, but that's just my method for at least now. So that way the base coat, the nail polish, the top coat do not cure in a weird angle or on the side of my thumb, because that's not going to be cute. That nobody wants that. Like, why would you ever do that? You had one job. But yeah, basically I'm doing the same thing as I did for my other 4 fingers. Base coat, 2 coats of color, sometimes 3, top coat, and I'm going to be curing for the same times, and then I wipe it off with alcohol, and I'm going to move on to my next hand. So yeah, I will just let you guys watch, and I will talk to you guys at the end of the video. Alright, so when we are completely done painting our nails, I am going to put on that same lotion that I love that I got from my nail salon. It just gives me a nail salon vibe, and just give my hands a little massage, you know, give them a little squeeze. You know how they be doing at the nail salons. So after that, I'm going to put on my cuticle oil on my fingers and rub that in, make them nice and moisturized. And I feel like, I don't know, I feel like the cuticle oil will be setting it off, yo, for real. Like, I be coming out like, yes, like, I already know this is about to be a bomb set. The way the cuticle oil be shining on my fingers, like, it be a wrap. Like, I really do this. And that is it, y'all. That is how I do my at-home gel manicure. Again, this manicure will last me up to a month. Like, if I'm doing real good, don't have my hands in water too much, of course, besides obvious reasons. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know by leaving me a like and a comment down below. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.